HYUNA. Right now we're about to check out HYUNA. NABILLERA? But would it be, it's like G-Friend's song, but would it be NABILLERA? Let's get it. Ooh, butterflies. Oh, they're standing still. Oh! You know what? You know, HYUNA. You know what? Booty cheeks out, everything. I love it. Okay. A, dances, A. Oh, this sound like an old school like HYUNA too. It sounds like a HYUNA song. Like not like the other ones that didn't, but like okay. Okay. Okay, dancers too. A. Just because I'm your babe doesn't mean I'm always yours. Damn, okay. If you're not beside me right now, everything is nothing. Oh. Hey. What? What? NABILLERA. Hey. Slay. Get it. Way. Oh. To be honest, I feel like HYUNA's always gonna be iconic no matter what she does. Talking to my stands like bang. Ooh. Oiled up? Miss HYUNA. Just because I'm your babe doesn't always mean I'm always okay. Damn. These menses is all oily. Oh, it hurt too. Hey. Get it. Hey, what you? Hey, get it. Hey. Oh my God, she's on the floor. You know what? You know what's crazy? Yes, sis. Oh, and on the back of the menses is back as you get that. Like a butterfly, but this is gonna be catchy. The beat is so simple, but like the whole like choreo and just like, oh my God, sorry, I'm still looking at the like, I'm still looking at the dances. Okay. Wait, what? Butterfly. Hey, slay. Ooh, you better get yours, HYUNA. Hey, get it. Hey. Ooh. I'm just so happy HYUNA's back. I feel like HYUNA is and always will be a baddie. I'm sorry, Don. I'm just compliment. Don't hunt me. Don't turn my family into fries. Hey, NABILLERA, NABILLERA, slay, NABILLERA, hey, I don't give a shh. NABILLERA, what? Born to be a free. NABILLERA, NABILLERA, what? NABILLERA, what? Alright, let's move on. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.